You may be wondering, what is this package all about? Allow me to clarify. Your property has positioned itself perfectly in the right place at the right time. We hope this special box inspires you to act, as the exceptional opportunity it presents won't be around for long. Let me explain further. Whether you realize it or not, your property was impacted by the hailstorm a short time ago. Let's dive into how you can receive compensation you never knew was possible. At Total Public Adjusting, we specialize in getting property owners paid from hailstorm claims, even if most of this damage is cosmetic. Since that storm occurred, we have successfully completed many negotiations for the neighbors in your area at an average payout of $10,000 per property. We're not investors or contractors. Rather, we are professionally licensed insurance adjusters, and you can trust us to work for you as we are certified by the State Department of Insurance. Since 2008, we have successfully won over 17,000 hail damage claims, and your property could absolutely be next. There is a very good chance that you do not remember that hailstorm from some time ago, but it did cause damage to your aluminum siding, roofing, and more on your property. Most homeowners like yourself don't even realize this. However, when presented correctly, our analysis is potentially worth tens of thousands of dollars owed to you, and it takes very little effort to get started. The process is quite simple. From our experience working in the area, we know your property qualifies. You simply provide your insurance policy number and retain us to handle the claim. Then, you just sit back and wait for your money. And if we don't get you paid, you owe us nothing. So why not see how much money we can get for you? You still have time to retain us before the deadline, but we must act quickly. Give us a call today at 215-396-8452, and after 10 minutes, we can have you on your way to getting paid.